Hi everyone, my name is Kristen and welcome to the Wapiti Regional Library Creative Corner. June 21st is Father's Day, and no matter who your father is, if they're your father, grandfather, caregiver, or just a father figure, I'm going to show you how to make a card and a gift for them. For a gift, you can simply just color and paint any cup and it works as a great pencil holder. I'm also going to be showing you how to make a fun card. This card has a secret trick. It's a pop-up card. If you want to watch the instructions for how to make the card, keep watching and let's begin. To make our Father's Day pop-up card, we will need 2 pieces of paper, scissors, a glue stick, and some coloring supplies. Start off by drawing any picture, coloring it in, and then cutting it out with the help of an adult. Once your picture is cut out, you are going to take one of your pieces of paper and fold it in half as shown. Ask an adult for help again to help you cut 2 lines along the fold of the paper. This will create a little square which you push inward and make a fold that will be opposite to the fold of the paper as shown. If you open it up, you will see a little pop-up square. On this pop-up square, you are going to glue your image on the bottom half. Be sure that your image does not go past the bottom line of the square or else this will not work. Fold your card again and push it down tight so that the image is glued good. With your folded piece of paper with the image inside, you are going to glue the outside. Push it down on one half of your other piece of paper. You will then glue the other side and repeat. Fold over your second piece of paper so that it makes a nice card. Now, if you open up your card, you will see your pop-up. It's time to write a nice Father's Day message. You can then close your card and make an image on the outside if you wish. I hope you enjoy and I hope you have a great Father's Day.